everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks today. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Zena. That's Wyatt. They just like to hang out with me, but pretty much that's what they do. We sure hope you stick around and hang out for the long haul. Hit that subscribe. It really helps me continue to create new content for you. Today, I'm super excited because my latest Vino is here and we're going to dig into it. If you're not familiar, it is a quarterly women's lifestyle subscription box. And it's all about unwinding, recharging, and relaxing. And it's filled with all kinds of good stuff. We're going to dig right in. Vino is a quarterly subscription box. I absolutely love it because it comes with all kinds of lifestyle goodies plus wine. And one of the best things about it is that if you get this subscription, you can update your ship to address at any time and gift it. So if you decide, you know what, I think that I want to send my spring box to my mom, my sister, my bestie, all you have to do is update the ship to address and send it off to whomever you think should have that box. And the next time, for the next quarter, you think, nope, I need it. I kind of want a little recharge, so I'm going to get the next box for myself, have it sent right to you. And then for the winter box, have it sent off to your mom or your sister. And you can do this at any time. It's super easy just by making that one quick change. So keep that in mind. It's something that you can easily just swap back and forth. One for you, one for me. All right. So it is delivered 4 times a year. And it comes with 5 to 6 full-size products that are made of rejuvenation products, treats, as well as unique gifts, and of course, bottles of wine. So right on top is my little box of goodies. I'm going to get that out first, and we're going to open it up. Okay, so here's the box inside the box. This is what I see. And I love how it says, "Oh, for me." And here's what I see. So right on top is this little pamphlet that's going to tell me all about the items inside my box. I like how it says, "Oh la la box, sip backs, relax, and unwind." I like Vino, sips, and surprises. And let's see. So the total value of this particular box, it says, is $135. However, let me tell you, I will give you the full information here. There is, if you use my code, which is HAPPY, and I will put the link and my code down below, but if you use my code, new customers are going to get the 5 to 6 full-size items I'm going to show you right now, plus $10 off and a free Swig Cocktail Club stemless wine cup. All right, so we're going to go through all of that, which will bring it up to a total value of $169, but you'll be getting it for $54.99. So with all of that, including the wine, which is valued around $24 a bottle, the full value would be around $169, and you would get it for $54.99. So I'll put all that down below for you. So let's dig in so you can see all the fun pieces. The first thing I'm seeing right off the bat is this Spa Solutions Exfoliating Stretch Towel. This is valued at $10. And what it says about this, it's by CABI, and it says this exfoliating stretch towel gently cleanses, exfoliates, and massages your body with total flexibility. With its unique design that stretches 3 times the regular washcloth size, it allows for full body coverage and easier access to those hard to reach areas. It's an excellent shower companion for those with limited mobility and perfect to exfoliate with before getting a spray tan. So that's great. So basically the care instructions are rinse and hang dry for best results. Replace it every 30 days. So let me see if I can show this to you. It is attached. but I'm going to detach it because I want to look a little bit closer. And as I mentioned, the value for this one, I think, was $10. Yeah, $10. Oh, it even has a little hangy. You can hang it up in the shower. And you can even use it on the back, which I like. And check out that stretch. Lots of stretch. Can you see how that has that little bit of a gritty edge, but not rough? I don't think it's going to hurt you. So that you can actually use it as an exfoliator. That is really nice. I love how they mix up the things that they send you between beauty and like gives you like that perfect little comfy day, right? So that's the first item. Next up, I see a little headband. So this is called the Nolia Knit Headband. It says cute and cozy, yes please. Designed to keep your head and ears warm on chilly days, this knit headband is an essential piece of headwear for colder months. The pull-on design keeps your ears covered with soft comfort, and a hand-knit style is perfect for commuting to work, working outdoors, and travel. It is 100% soft polyester, is 4.5 inches wide. The colors may vary. The value of this is $12. And I'm also going to show you what this looks like. So here's what it looks like. And they said it totally covers your ears. So let's see what that is. So I'm going to pull this down a little bit. There we go. So total warmth. There we go. What do you think? That will definitely keep you warm, I would say. Covers your head, covers your eyebrows, covers your ears, and I really can't hear all that well anymore. So it's going to keep you totally warm. What do you think of that? All right, what else have we got? Next up, I have an umbrella. This is called a Parquet umbrella. I always need an umbrella. What about you? Like, I always need one. I carry one in my work bag all the time because I always need an umbrella. I have them in my car. I have them everywhere. I love a small one. So this is like the perfect size for me. And this one is valued at $20. I love the print. It says made with a black steel shaft and fiberglass ribs. This animal print compact umbrella will protect you from strong winds and rain year round. It's lightweight and compact. A design allows you to store it in your purse for when you need it from everyday errands, runs to travel. Oh, perfect. It's 9 inches folded. So I don't know. It doesn't say what it opens. Oh, I've ripped the whole thing off, including the cover here. I'm so excited. Let me make sure I save the cover and not throw that away. Durable water resistant canopy. All right, well, I'm super excited. I always need a umbrella. So I'm happy with this. I like what they include in here. They're always useful items in my opinion. All right, next up. Sorry, Z. I'm putting these on top of Z now. Sorry, Z. How you doing? Do you want the headband? Next up, I have the Ecolo canister with the lid. Check this out. All right, so this says that it is a cute and multifunctional. This canister serves so many uses. You can use it to hold dry ingredients like sugar or fresh baked cookies, kitchen utensils, or use it as a flower vase and give any space in your home a pretty pop of fun. This wide mouth design makes it easy to add and remove contents too. Oh yes, it's high quality ceramic and it's 4.75 inches by 6.5 inches. And the company, Ecolo, is based in Brooklyn, New York, and it's been a key supplier of stationery, home goods, and gifts for 21 years. Let's see if I can open it, Wyatt. There we go. I did it. Look how cute that is. And then there's a lid. I'm getting a little bit warm. So this is definitely going to keep you toasty for sure. The headband. You like it, Wyatt? All right, there's a lid here for this as well. So look how it's got plenty of room in there. So just for reference, like my entire hand goes in past the wrist. And then it also has this ceramic lid, and it has like the extra rubber around the edge to keep it sealed. You guys can see that. So I like that. And the value for this one is $25. So these prices do not feel inflated to me at all. I like that. Do you like that, Z? All right, so next up, and my last lifestyle item here, is the Ecolo Planner Pad. This is valued at $20, and it says, "New year, new you. You'll love this productivity planner that will help give you the tools to reach your goals this year. This double golden spiral bound planner pad is peppered with empowering letter written quotes and features a colored memo pad with sturdy hard covers. The checklist planner covers flip over easily and lay flat for comfortable writing. Plan out office organizing, favorites list, or the next month at a glance with this minimalist planner, organized." It has 3 dividers. You can see down here at the bottom. And it is valued at $20. I love how it says everything is coming together. And then it has notes and to-dos. I do make lists and little to-dos and things that I need to try to get accomplished for the day. It says, I like this one, taking over the world, one to-do list at a time. And then the third section says, her greatest power is believing in herself. This is adorable. I love it. And then these little cards actually are perforated, if you can see that. So you can actually like cut them out if you wanted to. So if you needed to rip it out and take it on the go. So if you made yourself a grocery list or something, you could rip it out and take it with you. You wouldn't have to take the whole book. That's adorable. I love it. All right. That is my last lifestyle item to share with you. I do not have a picture of the bonus item you'll get as a new subscriber, which is the Swig stemless wine cup, but I have shared it in my previous boxes. So if you remember that really nice stemless wine glass, and it always has a fun saying on it, so keep that in mind. So if you're new, you will get that glass as well to add to your collection. All right, and then don't forget the wine. Don't forget the wine. All right, so let's talk about the wine. You can choose between which wine clubs that you like. They have 2 that you can choose from, Premium California or South African wines. They have sweet, red, or white collections, and you can choose which ones you prefer, or you can get a variety. The 2 I have to share are the New Crush California Rosé. This one is a 2022. And then I also have the Wicked Bliss, which is a Cabernet Sauvignon. This is 2018, California. And that is my box for this quarter. What did you think? I think this is so much fun. So I absolutely love this. I think this canister is adorable. It'll be fun to put cookies in it or utensils. You could leave the lid off and put all kinds of utensils in it. But it'll make all kinds of fun in your space, in your kitchen. The umbrella, super fun. You can throw this in your purse or your bag. Very lightweight as well, so keep that in mind. As well as this adorable planner, which I'm in love with. It has 96 pages in all, and the designs, I believe, do vary, but I love this. And then, of course, the headband, which I shared with you. So obviously this is going to keep you warm, and I think the colors may vary in this one as well. And of course, the stretch towel. How adorable is this? So perfect to get in those hard to reach places. So keep that in mind. And then the wine. And those are valued at $24 a piece. And that's a wrap. I'll put all the information down below for you in case you would like to give this subscription a try. Don't forget, easy for you to get one for yourself and then gift the next season or next quarter to somebody else, and you can keep mixing it up and swapping it any way that you like. I will share my code. If you use my code, you will get the extra gift as well as the $10 off. And my code is happy, and you can also use my link. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I really do enjoy this subscription box. Hit that like if you had fun. Hope you hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. Please comment down below and let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.